Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to send SSR report in the reports VIA from the Power Automates. Means if you have a requirement to send SSRS email, SSRS report to any particular person, so you can send this report to person with the help of Power Automates. So the scenario is I have a PowerS portal and I want to send a report from PowerS portal to users. So what I do here, I already done the configurations. So suppose whenever a user click, so this one is generate reports means SOR is a reports. So this one is a condition is suppose if the user select this button, so in the back end, workflow is trigger. This one is a workflow generates reports. Our workflow is trigger, and this workflow is basically a generator reports. So this one is a report. I will show you. It's running. This one is a reports. I have just captured this. This one is a reports, and the report name is SOI unit standard. So this one is the SSRS reports. And if I click on the edit, so I will show you. So I'm going to run this report. This report is generate some statement, and this statement is a portal user means the user can see this, not the user means a public user or a portal user can see this reports in via PDF. So it's running. So I will show you this other thing. The other one is suppose if the user is generating a click on this button and a report it's sent like just like I will show you this one is a reports and the user can receive this email just like in the PDF format. Okay, so what I do here, I have created a one workflow. The workflow is the Power Automate. And sorry, yeah, this one is a HTTP request workflow. So once the user clicks, the workflow is trigger, and here I have I capture this report just like a report's name and for the unique ID. And here you can see this one is a some switch statement because of I have a condition, and this one is a request. So this one is a invoke an HTTP request. So URL of the request is CRM report viewer. Here I pass some cookies. Cookie. This one is the cookie information. This one is the body of the request. This one is some ID, the GUID and the name of the reports. And this one is the some regular expressions. This one is getting let and download PDF URL. Here I receive here the PDF URL and uh, I, I use the get request get method and the URL request, and it is same like the cookies. I use the cookie, and this one is a compose. Compose means I receive the body just like content, and in the last stage I send email to users. So in this, you can see this body and the attachment of the body content, and its name of the report is report.pdf. And yeah, yeah. Once the standard is the condition is whenever user generate a reports, so this report is sent to particular person, and the workflow is trigger, and this one is a reports. Thank you. So if you want to generate a report through any SS report and you want to send directly to customer, so you can easily achieve this functionality with the help of Power Automate. Thank you.